So, hey, this is Gary. I picked up one of these, I don't know how you say it, ROVSUN automatic washers. I bet I've washed 10 loads in it since I got it yesterday. It's amazing. I really didn't have any problems. I read the instructions. They were more of a manual to help you figure out, problems if you're having problems with it, and it was pretty handy actually to have. A lot of it's just basic knowledge too, as well as you gotta have a little bit of mechanically inclined, I guess. But just to operate it, you know what I mean? Get it out and put it up. It works good. It says not to put it in wet areas, but as you can see in my bathroom, there's not really a lot. Not a lot of room. I don't want to show the camera all around the bathroom. I'm a guy, I live alone, But, hey, I washed a lot of stuff. Look, this is just stuff I have hanging up around the bathroom. I filled my closet up already, but it had been, a while since I've been able to get to laundry, and the laundry where I live at in the apartments closes early, and I don't have a chance to get over there. I'm on disability, and I have diabetes, and it makes me sleep a lot, but, so I guess I'm lazy. However, this here machine cost me about 85, 90 bucks, and I was really reluctant. Heck, I ordered it, and within 5 minutes, I tried to cancel it, and within 6 minutes, I told them, don't cancel it, send it, please, because I watch videos. Guys make videos of these things, and, I have it rigged. I stuck it in my shower because I don't have nowhere for it. It's set down in my tub. It's not really a big thing right here, but it works, heck, I don't mind. It's fast. I got the mop out and started mopping the floor last night since I had all the water going. And look, as you can see right here, this nozzle, it doesn't fit in there, but I stuck my finger up in there a little and could feel that it was just a small round hole feeding to this big nozzle. So I stuck that thing, I flattened it out and stuck it right in the middle, and it took it in. Here, I'll show you here in a second. I'm washing a blanket I got for my birthday about 10 years ago, or hey, probably 15 years ago. But anyway, the tub is running right now. Okay, my shower's a mess. Now I know, I don't have much money. The little 3-prong cord that they have going across here, see, I had to use an extension cord that I had that wasn't 3-prong, so I did violate rules, and I broke out I just pulled the ground, which is the round connector on the cord. I pulled it off. It's a motor. You can't, a motor, an AC motor is made to go, a DC motor is made to go one direction. Not made to go one direction, but you can't wire a DC motor backwards. So, anyway. It's 2 wires, Anyway, okay, check it out. Really simple here. I'm going to close it for a minute. I'm going to take this and just sit it on drain. I ran this, like I said, it's a gift blanket I got, and it hadn't been washed in probably 5 years. You can see there's the dirty water coming off of it. Yeah, my mop wasn't like that. It's just from the dirty water, because this thing, I don't know if it's just the clothing being in the water, and being manipulated around and around, but wow, it works. And whatever it's doing, it's getting dirty water off, and it makes me think, wow, all that dirty water's running off of my blanket. So I'm going to wash it again until that water comes off clean, just because, then I'll try to keep it clean. I don't want to, but here, look, you can see it's draining out. There ain't no light. Hold on, let's see if this gives it light. Yeah, there, look, see, it's running out. It's pretty fast. Look. Alright. Let's save on my battery. We'll put that as point of focus. You can see, yeah. All right. So it's already ran back out. Now, I made this mistake about 10 times last night. Now, you see here, I have it set to drain. All right, well, that's to drain it. Now that I'm done draining it, I'll put it right there. I'm going to open the lid back up again. Okay, now watch this. Remember how I got this set up? I stuck it in the hole right there. Watch. Turn it on just a little bit. If you look, we'll use the slide again. What we got there? There, you can see water is running in. And this isn't the best setup in the world, but this is all like what I got. I don't have the water turn on much, so it's not getting water on the tub at all. And I don't even recommend this to anyone. It's just, I was an electrician for 23 years. And I'm being safe about it, even if I seem sloppy. But, hey, I have a pink loop of fun. Can't erase it. Right? Nope, not funny, haha. I just like that color. But, so we're running this in here right now. It's not too much, we're not losing too much. This thing here is already filled up. But, you know, it's been washed and ran through the wash. And, I've already put detergent on it a few times there. Look in the water. I think the water looks pretty cool. You can put your hand down in here. This is what I do. I move it around a little bit. You can see how dirty that water's getting. This thing needs to be washed. Anyway, so bam. Still filling up a little bit. I'm gonna put it on like 8 minutes or whatever that is. You probably don't need to do it that long, but I'm doing it that long. There's my dryer part over there. Man, this thing spins them so dry, they're like dry. I don't see why they don't make regular dryers like this. You know what I mean? This is like crazy, but I put it on there a little longer because I'm not going to sit here and watch it, you know. I go in the other room, get on the computer 10 or 15 minutes while this thing washes. All they do is sit here and just sit in the water for a little bit, but you see, you got a spin timer. I haven't spun anything over 1 minute. Everything comes out pretty dry. I had to put sheets on my bed last night. But anyway, hey, this machine, it deserves 10 stars. I don't understand why we don't have that option. It's amazing. No lights. I have clean clothes now, you know. And I've been washing some stuff out in the sink for a while. This right here, if I only got 20 uses out of it, I feel like I've made my money back, you know. Laundry, low laundry, $5. Wash and dry anymore. So check that out.
This is how it looked. It has this in there. The instructions. They look kind of dirty in the inside. It looks kind of dirty on the outside. Even in the box, it looked kind of dirty. The hose was dirty on the inside. The hose was dirty on the inside. And on this side, the filter was clean. The other hose, see, nothing's in the filter. The other hose was kind of clean. It wasn't dirty like the other hose. This one looks like it might have been cleaner than the other hose. But, yeah, that, it looks like it could have been used by the back of the plugs on the back. The back of it looks like that when I just got it, and the place where
Hi everyone, this is my review of the ROVSUN 10-pound mini washer. I have already washed so many things. I'm super impressed with this, and I will show you right now how dry it gets your clothes. So they are already clean. It's not even barely damp. Like, these socks are pretty much dry. It'll take a couple of hours to dry. I love this.
So you can do both at the same time while it's wash some clothes. You can spine another one. Look at that. It's very good dry. Look at that. Spine really works. Really works. It came very dry. So not 100%, but I guess like 80% dry. That's very
So far, so good.
Item just got here today and it's broken. I would assume this could be highly unprofessional